for those who like the thrill of speed, and for those who prefer to take it slow. There's something we can all agree on, no matter your style. REMUS delivers unmatched performance. Because sometimes it's the journey that matters. Feel the thrill of REMUS's unmistakable roar as you navigate each turn, transforming your journey into a symphony of power and passion. Because in our world, the destination is just a fleeting memory compared to the lasting euphoria found within the journey's heart-pounding rhythm. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. REMUS. Performance for every drive.